Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time on your Vivo Y11 phone. Having the correct time is essential for many functions, from alarms to app syncing. Let's begin by opening your phone's main settings application. You can usually find this by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once in Settings, scroll down to find either System or More Settings. After locating System or More Settings, tap on it. Within this menu, you will find an option labeled Date and Time. Tap this to enter the specific time settings. Here, you'll likely see a toggle for Automatic Date and Time or Automatic Time Zone. To manually adjust your phone's time, you must turn this automatic setting off. This gives you full control over the date and time. With the automatic setting disabled, you can now manually adjust the time. First, tap on Set Date to bring up a calendar interface. Choose the current day, month, and year, then confirm your selection. Next, tap Set Time to adjust the hour and minute. You can typically use a digital or analog clock interface. Once set, confirm your choices to save the new date and time. Finally, you can customize the time display format. Look for an option like Use 24-hour format to switch between a 12-hour or 24-hour clock. If you wish, you can re-enable the automatic date and time setting after making your manual adjustments. This will ensure future accuracy. Your Vivo Y11 now shows the correct date and time, ensuring all your phone's functions are perfectly synchronized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.